Fasting Mimicking Diet. Welcome to our Healthline Champion Solutions channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of health and wellness. If you're looking for practical tips, insightful information, and effective remedies to improve your well-being, you've come to the right place. From natural remedies to lifestyle changes, we explore a wide range of topics to help you lead a healthier life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest videos, packed with valuable health advice. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the fasting mimicking diet. Imagine a diet that tricks your body into thinking it's fasting. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Well, that's exactly what the fasting mimicking diet does. It's like a magic trick for your metabolism. But don't worry, you won't be fasting in the traditional sense of the word. No starving required. This diet allows you to eat, but in a carefully calculated way that mimics the effects of fasting. So, you get all the benefits of fasting without the hangry side effects. Win-win. It's like having your cake and eating it too, minus the actual cake. But fear not, dear viewer, the fasting mimicking diet is backed by science. Studies have shown that it can help with weight loss, improve blood sugar levels, and even boost longevity. So, it's not just a passing trend. It's a legit way to give your body a reboot. Now, I know what you're thinking. Conversation starter at dinner parties. Is this just another fad diet? Oh, you're on the fasting mimicking diet too? How fancy. But, as with any diet, it's important to do your research and consult with a healthcare professional before diving in. Because let's be real, not all diets are created equal. Just ask anyone who's tried the cabbage soup diet. Remember, the key to success with the fasting mimicking diet is consistency. You can't expect to see results if you're only half committed. It's like planting a seed and forgetting to water it. Consistency is key, like brushing your teeth every day or checking Instagram every 5 minutes. And hey, if you slip up and have a cheat day, no biggie, we're all human. Just dust yourself off and get back on that fasting mimicking horse. So, there you have it, the lowdown on the fasting mimicking diet, a quirky yet effective way to boost your health. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Healthline Champions for more health insights and quirky humor. Until next time, remember to eat well, laugh often, and stay fabulous.